welcome to Shan's Jams Vlogs. Today is Tuesday. I nearly just missed the chair and fell on my bum. Today, plan is, we're just going to see what happens. I've got nothing planned actually. I might go to the soft play area later. But for now, we're just eating breakfast, aren't we? And someone's got some jam on toast. Someone's got some jam on toast. Is that nice? Yeah. Yeah, don't be getting it on mummy's hair. But yeah, so he's had a banana, a bit of yogurt, a banana biscuit, and now he's having jam on toast. And I think he's enjoying it. He had a bit yesterday, because I made some jam and toast as like a little snack for me and Karen. Karen's his nan, by the way, if you didn't know. So I made us some toast, jam on toast, and he had a little bit of mine and he loved it. And he was like crying for it. And I was like, oh, you've got to have your tea. So today I thought I'd treat him and he can have a nice little slice, just as a little bit of an extra. But yeah, anyway, I've got my coffee going, my fresh coffee, got some jam on toast for me. And I'm gonna do a red bush tea for James. Yeah, because you like the red bush tea, don't you? He's just licking the jam off. He's not even eating the toast. He's just licking the jam. But yeah, I've started having fresh coffee in the morning, which I've not done before. But I feel like it's helping me in the mornings to like get up and go. Because usually I'm like, oh, I really can't be bothered. But at the moment, because I'm like excited and looking forward to a cup of coffee every morning, I'm like, yes. And like, it kind of gives me that energy. Probably the caffeine, like, but just the thought of it as well makes me like a lot more, like, it gives me that oomph, as you'd say. But yeah, I've got my cute little dress on today. Kind of see my little bump. My bump's coming along. Oh, it's going so fast. Like, it's so unreal how fast this pregnancy's going compared to the first one. I feel like the first one just went like really, really slow and I was always waiting for something. Whereas this one's just flying. I think because I've got another baby, like my focus is on him, so I'm kind of distracted. Whereas last time I was just, you know, on my own really. Obviously I had big James, but you know, he has work and stuff, so I was constantly thinking about being pregnant. Whereas now I don't think about it. I always forget that I'm actually pregnant and I'm like, oh, should I actually do that? Like, because I think, oh, I'm pregnant, I can't be doing that. Like going on massive swings and stuff like that. But yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna finish my jam on toast and then we'll see what we get up to. I'll take you along with us. And yeah, exciting. I might bake some cakes today actually. I'm in the mood for baking cakes. Not from scratch, but my nan got me some cake mixtures to do, so I might do one of them just to keep me busy, and depending on the baby as well. Also need to get me washing done, constantly doing washing all the bloody time. God, it annoys me. Like, if I was rich, I'd definitely hire someone to do me washing for me. That'd be the first thing I did with my money. And then everything else, I'd buy all my family houses and stuff. And then, yeah, in a nice area. But yeah. Let's win the lottery, eh, son? To be fair, I don't even put the lottery on, so I don't know what I'm on about. Right, I'm going to finish this toast, make me coffee, and I'll see you in a bit. Is that nice red bush? Is that a nice cuppa? Cuppa. You got a cuppa? Is that a nice cuppa? James is actually working in the back garden today. He's there, he's doing our fence. So it's gonna look nice. We're gonna have a nice brand new fence to put some lights on. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? And it, yeah. I think it'll be a bit taller as well, so we've got like a little bit more privacy. But yeah, I mean, I used to sunbathe in the back garden pretty much half naked, so it clearly didn't bother me then, did it? No. Here's Daddy.
Hello.
Welcome to the vlog. How's your fresh coffee?
Lovely.
It's nice, isn't it? Mmm. Yummy, yummy. It's got like that warming feeling in your tummy, which I like. Right, I need to nip to Tesco and get more milk, some bacon, because I want bacon again today, later on for lunch. Because I've been getting into bacon lately. I had a bacon and egg butty yesterday with James. And it was lovely, really nice. And I don't think I've ever had a bacon and egg butty, which is strange. So yeah, that was like the first time I had a bacon and egg butty, and yeah, it was 10 out of 10. What can I say? So yeah, I'm gonna head to Tesco, get a few bits and bobs, maybe get something for tea as well. Then again, I could just do jacket potatoes because I've got some spuds. So I might just do jacket potato, tuna, beans and cheese tonight for tea. We did have leftover Chinese last night, which I didn't really eat much of because the chicken had prawns in, which I didn't realise. And James was like, it's got prawns in it. And I just spat the chicken out. Dead dramatic. Thinking I was going to get food poisoning because I didn't know if it was okay to eat the next day or whatever, because I've heard some horror stories about Chinese like giving really bad food poisoning the next day. So yeah, I got a bit paranoid about that. But I ended up having like cereal and some other bits and bobs. Well, I had cheese and crackers, so that wasn't too bad. So it wasn't like I was starving, you know what I mean? How are you finding that? Is it nice? So lately, we've been playing with farm animals. And I think this one's his favourite, the horse. Because he likes it when I go. Mwah. Mwah. Kisses. Horsey kisses. Mwah. Oh. Oh, so cute. But yeah, let me show you the other ones. Should we show the vlog your other animals? James, should we show the vlog your other animals? No, that's not a dog, that's a horse. Everything with 4 legs is a dog at the moment. Yeah, dog. Literally everything with 4 legs, isn't it? Dog. It's a horse. Mwah. Mwah. Right, let's go and show the vlog your other animals. Come on. Come on. You coming? That's it. Well done. On your bum first. He tries. Come on then. Come on. I love his little like he's dead excited. Right, are we ready? So this is the little box. My dad got me this box. He got me a couple that are kind of similar but all in different sizes. So I think I'm going to store his toys in them. Some of them have got food in them at the moment, but I think I'll swap them for his toys. Right, so we've got a cow. Moo. We've got another cow. Moo. Oh, I can hear Daddy cutting in the back garden. Yeah, we've got loads of cows. I won't show you them all. And then we've got pigs. We've got pigs. And we've got sheep. Sheep. Bah. You want the sheep? Yeah. And we've got a ram. And we've got chickens. Bok, 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 bok. And then we've also got a couple of different farmers. I think that's a girl. She's got a skirt on. And then I think that's it, isn't it? We have got little baby lambs. Obviously we've got the horse as well. We've got little baby lambs in here. And a dog. There is a dog in there. But they're a bit too small, the pieces. So I put them in a bag just to keep them safe. Because he'll have to be supervised when he's playing with them, because he still puts things in his mouth. Let me know, by the way, when they stop putting stuff in the mouth. Like, what age do they stop it? That's a cow. Because yeah, it's annoying having to constantly get things off him. Like, there's so many times I've like hooked things out of his mouth that he shouldn't be putting in his mouth. See, look, he's doing it now as we speak. Are you eating the farmer's head? I don't think the farmer's going to be very happy with that. Where's the other farmer? There was 3. Well, we've lost the farmer, it looks like. Probably down the side of the couch, because that's where everything seems to go at the moment. Me and Karen literally went under there the other day and hooked a load of things out from underneath, like bottles, and oh my god, it was horrendous. So I'm keeping my eye out on the underneath the couch now and making sure that I get it straight away rather than leaving it. Yeah, because it gets dusty under there, doesn't it? That's the cow. Moo. Can you say moo? That was a bit of a weird one. Moo. 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 Good boy. Well done. That was a cow. Moo. Yeah, well done. That's a cow noise, isn't it? But yeah, he's proper buzzing with these farm animals. It's like one of the main things we've been playing with the past 2 days. And we've got some tractors as well to go along with it. I think what I might do, I might get him, I'll show you in the front room. We've got this. For like cars and stuff. So I want to get one. That's like farm themed instead, so he has a farmer one, because I want to get a few more animals and add to his collection. And then when I think when he's older, he'll absolutely love it, and he can like play with the farm animals on the field and stuff. I mean, we have been pretending that this is the field, but I just think it'd be more exciting to have an actual map for it that we get out purposely for it. Look. Are you eating some bacon? You having some bacon? Does it taste nice? I don't think you should be shoving that right in your mouth. Get that out. See, this is why I need to supervise him. Looks like the pigs are going in the plastic bag as well. No, we don't do that. Look, you'll choke on it. Mummy's going to have to put them in the bag if you're misbehaving with them. Mum life. I've just thought on, actually, I might take him to Smyths toy store now and see if we can get some more farm animals. What do you think? Or we could go rogue and get like safari animals, like lions and tigers and bears. Well, bears aren't safari, I don't think, are they? I mean, at the safari park round by us, we've got bears, so, and it says Knowsley Safari, so surely it is the safari. But then again, we've got sea lions as well at the safari park. God knows. Anyway, yeah, I might do that. I'll see what they've got in Smyths toy store first, And then we'll go from there. What do you think? Shall we go to Smyths toy store? That'll be fun, won't it? What do you think about that? Shall we go? Yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Right, shoes on. Shoes on. We're going to have to get your feet measured again soon, I think. In a couple months' time. If you want to get your kids' feet measured and get some nice shoes, some good classic hard wearing shoes, is that the right word? Hard wearing? Hardy, yeah. So if you want to go to there, I recommend Clark's. That's where James got his first shoes from, and he got measured there. I think he was 5.5 or 5G. Yeah. Look, we're putting your shoes on. Can you say shoes? Can you say shoes? James, can you say shoes? 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 Usually. Shoes, yeah, that's it. Shoes. Shoes. Yeah, he usually says Jews for shoes. Don't you? You say Jews. Jews. Yeah, should we go now? Are you ready? Let's get your coat on. I do get it, like I struggle to understand other kids. Like my cousin Alex, she's got a little girl called Maisie, and I can't understand a word she says, but Alex can. And I know what it is now, like what it's like, because I understand what he says, whereas other people don't. So I feel like you kind of understand your own child's language. Yeah, it's weird. But it's dead cute as well at the same time, because it's like, oh, I know what he's saying. You could be going in the background, you bitch. And no one would ever know. I'm only joking. I'm putting this big coat on, but it's probably not even that cold out. It looks dead sunny to me. Am I going to be able to get out there? Yeah, I think I will. Yeah, this is currently the playroom. It's a little bit messy, but it's a playroom. That's what they're supposed to be. Don't know what's going on with the top of my hair. Like, right, how do you stop anyone who's got hair like mine? How do you stop this happening? Because these are all dead short hairs and they're just like sticking up. Like, how do I get rid of that? Someone tell me. It's so annoying. Do I need to straighten it or something? God, oh well. Right, come on, where's your coat? I think we'll just put a little coat on today because it's not that cold outside, is it? Yeah, sod wearing the massive coat, I think. So I'm just gonna put this little one on James. Little gillet, or gillet, or gilet, what do you call it? I think I've said this before in a vlog. What's mummy gonna wear? Maybe a red one, just to match my red dress. There we go. I mean, it's a different colour red, like, but it'll do. Right, are we ready, son? Come on, let's put your gillet on. What are you doing under there? You're gonna bang your head. Gotta be careful. Oh, I just love that he's just walking around by himself now. He's gotten so much more independent with playing and stuff as well. Like, I can actually leave him for a little bit and he'll play by himself, usually at night time when me and James want to watch the telly or whatever, or just chill. He sometimes just kind of plays by himself for a bit in his playpen, which is really nice. Gives us a little break. But yeah, so he's getting a bit more independent and he's growing up. You're just growing. You're gonna make mummy cry. Oh, don't, I can't think about it, I'll end up crying. I'm an emotional wreck. Nah, to be fair, I've not been too bad the past couple of days. I think I'm getting into my second trimester now. So things are starting to settle a bit, like my hormones. I was a bit emotional yesterday, but that was just over little things that didn't really matter, to be honest. But they are starting to settle a bit more, I think. I'm not feeling as angry. Right, come on, let's put your gillet on. Okay, we're off. We're gonna go and get some animals. Exciting! Are you excited, son? Are you gonna pick some animals for mummy? For mummy. I mean, for you. Not for mummy. Mummy's too old, isn't she? Then again, you're never too old to play. Not gonna lie. Right, let's go. We've just arrived. Where are we? There's actually there's a Marks and Spencer's here as well, just over there, M&S. So I'm gonna pop there for me bacon. I was gonna go Tesco, but seeing as that's here, I might as well just go M&S and get me stuff from there. Because all I need really is milk, bacon, got eggs, got bread. So yeah, I only need to get 2 things, so might as well just go M&S. And I do like M&S, it's lovely. And yeah, it's good quality food as well, I think. Yeah, it's lovely in there, isn't it? And I've got my Marks and Sparks card as well, so I can use that. Don't know what it does, like, I don't think it actually takes money off. I think it gives you like deals or something. But I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to figure that. Maybe I'll ask that while I'm there. What does this Marks and Sparks card actually mean? I use it all the time, but don't actually know what it's for. Right, let's get the baby out. I'll have to get the pram out first. God, I hate this bit. When I'm pregnant, like, well, I am pregnant now, but I mean, when I'm fully, like, I've got a big bump and stuff, it's going to be so much harder getting his pram out the car, because it's quite a heavy pram, I'm not going to lie. So yeah, I think I'm going to struggle a bit with that, which I'm a bit concerned about, but we'll see. Gotta do what you gotta do. Right, let's get you out, son. And we're off. Oh, I really want to get one of those sheds for the back garden for him, but I want a wooden one, because I think it'd last a bit longer. What do you think, son? Do you want a little shed to put your outdoor stuff in? You can play in it. Nathaniel, my little brother, used to have one. Oh, where are we? Should we go and find the animals? I don't know what aisle it'd be down, to be honest. I'll have to talk quite loud because there's music on in the background and I don't want to get copyrighted. There's some bangers on, actually. Oh, look at these! See, I want one of these for him as well. Do you know, for outside in summer, for sand and water. Oh, 50 quid for that one. That's awesome. That one's got like a little thing at the top. Oh, there's some good ones here. I quite like that one as well. That one's like a tree, like a palm tree. Oh, that one's like a sciencey one. Oh, there's loads of stuff. Oh my gosh. His nan's got him a paddling pool, so he's all right for a paddling pool. It's a pretty good one as well. I think I did actually show it. See, these are cool as well because you can put water or sand in, which are quite nice. Oh, they've got the proper wooden play set as well for outside. That looks so cool. Wait, let me put you on front camera so you can actually see it. So it's got a slide, a swing for a baby and a toddler. It's got little steps, and then it's got one of them swings as well, the double ones. Oh, that'd be so cool in the back garden. I don't know if it'd fit though, you know. I'll have to measure it next time I come here, because I think that'd be nice. What do you think of that? Do you like it? Yeah. See, he's buzzing. He wants it. Right, let's come for what we actually. Let's go for what we're actually come for. Animals. Ooh, I think we've found them. Oh, they've got like cool dragons and stuff as well. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so cute? Oh, look at this. Look, son. See, they've got all the safari animals. Oh, look at the elephant. I think that might be a bit dangerous. The giraffe. Oh, wow, they've got all sorts. There's the bears. Oh, yes. And then the farm animals are here. This is what we want, isn't it? Oh, there's a goat. We've not got a goat. Should we get a goat? Should we get a goat, son? We've not got a goat yet, have we? You have that one. Oh, he's buzzing. I think we should get another horse for your horse friend. Yeah, it's a goat. Goat. Oh, what's that there? That's kind of like a... That's a baby cow, a calf. There's a calf. Should we get a donkey? Yeah, let's get a donkey as well. Donkey? Donkey. Oh, there's a llama. There's a little llama. That could definitely be on the farm. Right, what kind of horse shall we get for your horse friend? Should we get a white horse? Or should we get... Oh, I like that one. That one's cool. Wow, he's hench him. He's hench this one. Want that one to match you with the horse. And we'll definitely get a llama or alpaca. What's that? Is that an alpaca or a llama? And we'll get that one. They've got so many horses. I think that'll do us because we've got pigs. Although that's a big pig. We've not got a big pig. Let's get a sheep as well. That's quite a cool sheep. Right, that'll do. That'll do. Do you want to hold the pig? Daddy? We're going to go and eat some of that later, aren't we? Oh my God, they've got a cockerel as well. Oh my gosh. I can't deal with it. Yeah, we're going to have to get the cockerel. That can go with the chickens, can't it? Right, I think we're done. Are we sorted? Don't put it in your mouth yet. We've not bought it. We have to buy it first. Come on. I think I'll definitely go for the safari animals. Probably a little bit later. Once he's gotten used to playing with the farm animals, I'll start getting him the safari animals, like the zoo animals, because I think that'll be cool. And they're just dead good figures as well. They last for years, so I can always pass them on to the next generation or whatever when he has kids. But yeah, let's go. Let's go and pay. Are you excited? We can play with all these later, can't we? Oh. I'm sorry, but that's sick. Big boss. That's what James thinks he is. But he's actually... I'm joking. Safe to say he doesn't like that. Oh God, that's hilarious.
Hiya.
Hello, just them please.
No problem. Are these yours?
Right, we're walking over to M&S now. Just over there. We're going to go to the food court bit. You got your horsey? I've put his other animals in the car just so he doesn't drop them. That's the horsey. That can be your other horsey's boyfriend. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up some stuff now. I'm just gonna walk over. I've just left the car over there just because I can't be bothered getting him in and out. There's just no point. Ooh, they've got all the summer clothes out in M&S. There's some nice shorts. I need some like long shorts, like not the ones where it shows your bum, because I'm a bit too old for that now. But I do need some proper shorts because I've not got any. I've only got dresses like this really. But yeah, I'll do that another time when I'm with my nan. Oh, isn't that lovely? That is gorgeous. I do like the clothes at M&S. They're very nice. This is where we want to be. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Pizzas. Oh, I might get a margherita pizza for tomorrow. Or a pepperoni one. I'm going to end up buying all sorts now. Mummy's going to be a nightmare and buy loads of stuff, yeah? Pizza? You've not had pizza yet, have you? No? We found the bacon. Oh, it all looks so nice. Six rashers. I think we need a bit more than that, maybe 8. Unsmoked bacon. What do we think of that, son? That's the pig you were holding earlier, isn't it? Right, let's put it in the basket. Let go. Oh, you want to hold it? Okay. Yeah, that'll do, I think. I think we're done. Got myself a little quiche as well, because I do like quiche. Got the baby some pears, bananas, and then just 2 pizzas for tomorrow for me and James. And my milk. And my bacon. You better not be taking the wrapper off that. Oh, I might get myself a bunch of flowers, because I didn't get any for Mother's Day. So I might get a nice bunch. Oh, the roses are nice. Maybe some roses. Oh, look at the pink ones. I think I might get some of these. Get the nice ones. Oh, yeah, Mummy deserves some flowers. So we're finished in M&S. We're now going to go to Poundland just to give him a little walk around. I've put the pram back in the car. And he loves steps. Any step that he finds, he has to go up and down it. It's just bonkers. Like, do your kids do that? Let me know in the comments if your child did that or does that at the moment. But he just loves steps. But yeah, we're just gonna go to maybe Poundland over there and have a little walk around. We might get something, maybe a chocolate bar or something, but we'll see, because I do want to bake some cakes later. What's that? That's a post. That's a post. So the cars have something to bump into. Yeah. We're gonna go to Poundland and walk around just to tire him out, and then hopefully he'll fall asleep when we get back. Yay? Are you gonna fall asleep and have a nice nap while Mummy does the lunch for me and Daddy? Yeah? Oh, the pointing finger's back out. Come on then. Come on, James. You're gonna break it, stop it. Come on. Honestly, why are kids fascinated with the most random things? We've already been in Smyths. Another one. He spotted the sink. That's a little outdoor kitchen, it looks like. Ooh. Do you want to go in? Let me open the door for you. Here we go.
Come here.
We haven't got time. They haven't got time, James. Ain't nobody got time for that. What the hell? That's off him, that. It must be off the car, that. Let me see your hand. Oi, let me see your hand. Oh my God, it is as well. Mummy's gonna come in. Oh my God. Oh, James. He's been touching the car, so it must be off that. Look what you've got all over Mummy. Mummy's stuck in here now. Oh my gosh. I'm a bit too big for that. I'm a bit too big for that, son. Come on. Yeah, he's definitely gonna love a shed in the back garden if we decide to do it. Come on. We'll come back another time. Right, we're finished in Poundland. I gave him a little walk around, so I think he's tired now. He is kind of moaning a little bit. But I got some hangers and some pegs for outside, because obviously it's summer now, so I'll be able to get me washing on the line a bit more. And the pegs that are already there have kind of like rotten away a little bit, so every time I like unclip it to peg it, it kind of snaps. So I've got some new ones. Hopefully they'll last me a bit longer. But yeah, so we're gonna head home now. Look at me here. The wind's a bit windy. Yeah, it was going everywhere. But yeah, we're on the way home now. And then I'm gonna go home, make some bacon and egg butties for me and James. And hopefully he'll be sleeping at that point, because that'll give me a chance to eat something. And yeah, so I'll catch you when we get home. Home now, baby's asleep, so that gives me a chance to just do a little bit of cleaning before I make us some bacon and egg butties. Oh, yummy. It's nearly 12 o'clock, so that's lunchtime for us. And I also got some Pringles, because I just really fancied something salty. Maybe that's weird actually, because I craved a lot of sweet stuff with James, whereas this time I'm craving a lot of salty stuff and like savoury things, which is strange. Got me roses. I'm gonna put them in the pot. I'll show you me other ones, they're dead now. These are my old ones off Kelly, which is Big James's auntie and Little James's auntie. But yeah, they're dead and gone now. So it's time to replace them with some roses that I got myself, because happy Mother's Day to me. Thing is, there's thorns on this, so I've got to be super careful I don't cut myself. Done. Lovely bunch of roses. I think I should have got some more, like different coloured ones. That'll do. Oh God, I need to wipe this table. Oh, they look cute though. I like that. We're making the eggs. Got the bacon in. I buttered the bread. We're ready to go. Know what I'm saying? I can't stop looking at my roses on the table. I don't know what it is about flowers that like women just like love. I don't know. Maybe it's like, well, they are pretty and they smell nice, and girls like things that smell nice and look pretty. What can I say? But yeah, I'm starving. All I can think about is bacon. Oh, I can hear the baby. I've got a baby monitor, so I can hear him on that. You might have just had a little cough. I do need to get me washing out. The washing machine and the dryer are now in the garage. It's a bit dark in here, so you might not be able to see, but they're in here, out the way, which I like. So we've got this full utility room now to do whatever with. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put storage there, like a storage kind of unit or something, and then put like a nice candle on top or something. But yeah, so also like stuff like that So do you know his like little trike? No, not trike. What is it? The little car thing that can be stored in here. And maybe his pram or something. Just to keep it out the way, basically. But yeah, I'm just waiting for me wash load now so then I can hang it on the line. Because it is a lovely day today. I feel like spring has really kicked in. Let's show you the sky. Look, there's no trees. They're all gone. It's kind of sad that they're gone, but also like I'm quite glad as well because we get way more light now. So the grass is looking nicer and get more vitamin D, you know what I mean? The fence is obviously not done yet. I'll show you the finished look probably in a next vlog that I do. But he's doing a good job. All next doors is pretty much done nearly. Because they're doing next door's fence as well as ours. But look how tall it is. Go right up. Look how tall it is. God, it's so tall here. Like it's taller than my head. Than me, I mean. But yeah. Oh, it's so lovely outside. Oh, I guess in such a good mood when it's like this. Oh, sugar, need to put my eggs on. I'll see you in a sec. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I've whacked loads of ketchup on mine. I just pop a fancy ketchup. Oh, did you know they do? So I'll show you. They do an organic Heinz tomato ketchup now. Cool, innit? And then M&S also do organic whole British milk, which is nice. I think I'll make myself a nice cup of tea, a Red Bush. This is the one I've got. Red Bush Pure. It's got no caffeine in it, and like I said this morning, it's got anti-inflammatory properties in it. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, anti-inflammatory properties. No, that doesn't sound right. Plus, it's a way of getting water down me, because at the moment I just don't really drink enough water. So I'm making up for it in my teas and my coffees. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yum, yum. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Yummy, yum, 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 yum.
Thank you.
Eat up. I'm gonna cut all the fat off my bacon. The egg's nice today. It's runny. Should I be careful with runny eggs? Being preggers.
What eggs are you buying? Yep. See that?
Yeah.
That indicates that it's been salmonella free.
There's been double checked.
No, the bread in a certain way where they don't have any. Look it up. I'm pretty sure on that.
That means it's salmonella free. Never knew that.
I think it's okay.
Learn something new every day.
Eggs with the British Lion mark are considered safe to eat raw or lightly cooked, including by vulnerable groups like pregnant women, babies and the elderly, due to the stringent food safety standards of the British Lion scheme.
Oh, okay. That's good to know. Do you reckon the organic ones are like that?
No.
No?
No.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but most people would say that they're bad eggs because they've been brought up in a very,
Closed space.
No, they're probably in cages.
Well, that's what I mean, closed space,
Yeah,
like a
it's
cage.
very they're not just going around eating whatever they want.
Yeah. They eat corn, don't they?
Not all. Some chickens are fed corn, but ones that are fed corn, I think give out white eggs.
Oh, okay.
And they also give off yellow meat.
Mm.
But you don't get corn-fed chicken. I don't think so, anyway. I think it's an American thing.
Yeah, probably is.
I'm not 100% on that.
This is a good mother chicken sandwich. Just gonna get the wash it out on the line. I'll do a little time lapse for you. Enjoy. Baba's awake and I think he's hungry. Are you hungry? Yeah, I think you are. I'm just doing him some scrambled egg and toast with some beans, which I think you like. What? I know. Mummy's got to make it first though, hasn't she? You can be patient. That's what I get. Look at him. He's definitely laughing there. Right, let's get cooking again. If you can hear banging and screws and stuff in the background, it's James and his dad still doing the fence. They're on our side now. Looks good already, and they're nowhere near finished yet. Right, dinner is served. We've got scrambled egg, spaghetti hoops and some toast. What do you think about that? You're getting a bit impatient, aren't you? I'm just waiting for it to cool down a bit so you can have it. These, by the way, are from Yum Yums online. I got a deal on them because they were, I think they were having a sale or something. But we use this pretty much every dinner time, every tea time. Here we go. Help yourself, eat away. And get your toast and you can dip it in the spaghetti hoops like that. And it'll be nice and soft. Yummy. Good boy. Oh, treating myself to an appetizer. Oh, that's nice. And this is the aftermath of letting your child eat by themselves. Is it really worth it? Yes, it is, to be honest. Because you're learning fast, aren't you? Right, that's not nice, is it? Mummy's got to clean all that up. Stop it. Don't be doing that. That's not helpful, is it? Come on, we're going to get you out now. Wait till you see what Mummy's done. She's lined up all your animals. All your new ones. Yeah. We've got all of them lined up here ready. And there's the old ones in there. Hopefully they'll all fit. What do you think? You gonna have a little play? He keeps calling it a dog. It's a horse, that, isn't it? Horse. He definitely likes the horses. Maybe it's because they're the biggest ones. Are you gonna play in here while Mummy cleans up? I'm gonna quickly slip out while he's in there and clean up this bloody mess. Oh my god. Should we go outside with them? Wanna hold my hand? Mummy's gotta grab this first. Here we go. Go on then. Step. There we go. Oh.
We'll watch the wire. That's it. So we've got the horses. Oh, yeah. What do you think of them? She's got a boyfriend now. Mr. and Mrs. Horse. Yeah, he's the big strong one. He's the muscly man. And she's the nice little feminine one. So they can be boyfriend and girlfriend. Do you want to pick one? You pick one out. Let's see what it goes for. Oh, the bull. You gone for the big bull? The llama and the sheep can be friends. It's a weird looking sheep, that, isn't it? Does anyone know what type of sheep that is? It kind of looks like, it reminds me of a Shetland pony, but like a Shetland sheep. So they can be best friends. So they can go there. They can waddle around in the grass. Mwah. Careful. You just like getting in and out of this, don't you? Yeah.
Oh, I think the tiredness has hit me again. I feel tired. Like I can't be bothered. I just want to like chill out now. But you can't chill out when you've got a 1-year-old. There's just no chilling. It's honestly, it's always the same time every day. Like my hormones must have like a time of day where it's like, you know what, I'm gonna make her fatigued at the same time every day, so she's knackered for the rest of the evening. Maybe I should have another coffee, but I'm kind of trying to stick to 1 coffee a morning, and then just drink teas and stuff like that in the day. So I don't know what to do. Maybe I should have a can of Coke. Well, I've got a can of Tango, so maybe that'll help give me a bit of energy. I've took my vitamin D today as well. Took me folic acid or whatever. So yeah, hopefully that will give me a bit of energy. Hey, because I just can't be bothered playing now. Mummy just wants to chill out. Can you not play by yourself? See, he plays by himself, but I have to be sat in here with him in his playpen. I've made like a little cozy corner that he can sit on or whatever. But it's usually me or James that sits here while he's playing. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna do jacket potatoes tonight for tea, so I'm looking forward to that. Because I proper fancy a jacket potato with loads of tuna and beans and cheese. Oh, cheese, I love cheese. Oh, I'm going delirious. So I've just come for a little walk. I'm absolutely knackered. And I'm really struggling to like fully be there for the baby, like playing wise, like playing with his toys with him and stuff. I'm just struggling a bit because I'm just so tired. So I brought him out. Hopefully it'll wake me up a bit. And you've been a bit aggy, haven't you? Hey, so I thought I'd take him out to the park, give him a little wander round. It's the park, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, someone's on the big swing. We'll have to wait till they're finished. But yeah, so I'm going to walk him around here a little bit and get him tired out, ready for the night. Oh God, I feel like I need to rest more during the day to stop getting like this in the evening. Well, late afternoon to the evening time.
Because I get dead moody as well because I'm tired. Right, let's get you out. You have a nice little walk, eh? Do you want to go on the grass or do you want to go on the pavement? Should we go on the pavement? Yeah, you ready to get out? Yeah, I think he's ready to get out. We swinging? We swinging? Ooh. Fingers crossed this tires him out. Yeah, and then we can go home, have our tea, we're having jacket potatoes, and then it's bath time. And then hopefully it'll be storybook time and bedtime. What is it? What are you looking at? Are you gonna go up that slide? Is that your plan? Here he goes. He's definitely got a technique, hasn't he? Oh. Oh. Ooh. It's okay. Maybe your shoes are a little bit slippy. Whee! You did it. Okay, we're home now. Thought I'd show you the fence. It's obviously it's not finished yet, but it will be soon, I think. So does all this bit need cutting? So then it's all level. But yeah, look at that. All in a day's work. Don't know if you can see that with the sun. Looks good. It's nice and high. Did you just get out by yourself? His jacket's good. That's how you know he's finished. He just chucks everything on the floor. Do you want a pudding?
Chocky Moose.
Chucky Moose?
Where's the red one? The red one. Show me the red one. That's the red one, that's right.
There's the green one.
You can call them that yellow.
Oh, have you? Let's not confuse them.
That's the red one, isn't it?
Red one.
And you show the yellow one. The yellow one.
That looks green to me.
It's yellow at night.
And then that's orange.
Blue. Blue. That's blue. Blue.
Right, it's the end of the night now. I'm going to leave the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed and you want to see more content. I'll see you in the next one.